Namaskar everyone. Thank you for joining in. Get settled. Sit in a comfortable position where your back and neck must be straight. You can choose any comfortable position as per your comfort, as per your body flexibility. Roll up your shoulders and just relax them. Place your palms in Atmanjali Mudra. Fingers must be well spreaded, just next to thumb next to your chest. Keep taking natural breathings. Close your eyes slowly and gently. Take natural breathings. With each inhalation, get prepared yourself for today's yoga practice mentally and physically. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. With closed eyes, just observe yourself. Observe your body. Look at each body part and take a note mentally that how you are feeling right now. Exhale. If any thoughts and worries are coming into your mind, let it go out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Make an intention that throughout the practice, I'll be aware about my body, my breathing, and will focus approach the final posture with awareness. Exhale. Take natural breathing. With Om chanting and opening prayer, we'll start our today's yoga practice. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. We'll start with the Gayatri Mantra. Inhale. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your palms in front of your face. While looking at your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Today we'll start with the back bending asanas. Why back bending asanas helpful to us? The way we do the forward bending. In back bending, just I would like to show you something that this is the our spine, and you all would be aware from here to here it's our spine. Our entire nerve system is the nerves which goes to brain, so it all are connected with that. So whenever we do back bending, we give pressure to our verbatim to verbatim. Cause of that, it helps to our neuromuscular system as well, and the entire nerve system, not only for the spine, because the all nerve system is connected through here, so it give strengthen and give strengthen to all the nerve system. Apart than that, there is a some in everyone's body, there is a dirty impure blood also which stays in the back of your back muscles. So while practicing this asana, that blood flow in front and then go out. It purifies through this bending asanas, but not through the one time. With the regular practice of this asana, it helps us. So let's start with that. Before starting the asana, I request everyone to switch on their videos, because still I can't see many of you. So please switch on your videos. Very nice. We'll start with the power breathing. Have a look how to perform the power breathing. We have to bring our lift our hands, interlock your fingers and turn your palms facing sky. Then inhale and bend forward. You have to bend forward. You can sit in this position, and the people who are comfortable with the Vajrasana, I request them to sit in the Vajrasana position. And from here, lift your palms, hand and do back bending. Your hand will also drop the further to back side. Inhale, this would be inhale position, and then come front and exhalation. While coming in front, your hand must be in this level only. They should not be dropped or be right straight. They should be parallel to your shoulders. You have to stop here your breathing. Exhalation. Inhale would be normal. You'll go back, inhale and exhale. Your exhale would be a little forcefully. Okay, so let's start together. You can sit in comfortable position, but the one who are able to sit in the Vajrasana, I request them to sit in the Vajrasana position. So let's start together. Rise up your hands above the head, interlock your fingers, turn your palms facing towards roof or sky. Inhale, bend backward. Very nice, your head will also drop. Exhale. While coming exhalation, very nice. Your hands must be parallel to your shoulders and parallel to floor. It should not be dropped like this or like this, okay? Again, let's start together. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale would be forcefully. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. While going back, just don't bring your hands behind. Your back should be feel that pressure. Feel the movement of your body, your back, your head, your neck and your hands. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Your elbows must be straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 30 seconds more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. Keep doing it. Inhale, exhale, and relax yourself. Now from here we'll start our asana practice. So first we'll start with the Ustrasana. Utkarasana. In this asana you have to sit in the Vajrasana position. Keep a shoulder length distance between your knees and your feet. Have a look how to perform, then together we'll do it. Then stand on your knees like this. Place your palms on your lower back, supporting with your fingers. Your fingers would be on your back and thumb would be at front side. Now from here, we'll bend further like this. As much as you can do. Then drop your neck. If anyone having the cervical, epilepsy or vertigo issue, they are requested not to drop their neck. They can look like this. Head must be straight. Anyone having the knee issues, they can use a double yoga mat or the pillows below the knees. Okay, so let's start together. Sit in the Vajrasana position, and the people who can't sit in the Vajrasana position, they can directly rise on their knees. Between your knees and your feet, distance must be shoulder length distance. Your feet must be flattened on floor. Now from here, place your palms on your lower back. During the entire practice, ensure that your pelvic area is tucked in and breathing from chest will continue. Now bend backward as much as you can do. Then drop your neck. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your stomach would be outer side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. You can sit in comfortable position and have a look for the next asana, how to perform this. We'll go for the variation of this asana, the final pose. From here, we'll revolve our right hand and we'll touch the heel of the right heel and then the left heel. While practicing this, your area must be expanded. This area should be like this only, okay? ऐसे नहीं करना है. We should not do like this. This area must be expanded, and to keep it expanded, we'll have to revolve our right hand and then touch right heel and then left heel like this, and then drop your neck slightly. Again, the people having the cervical issue, they can look like this. Okay, so let's start together. Inhale, pelvic area tucked in, chest breathing continue. You are sitting in this posture. You are standing on your knees. Distance between your knees and your feet or shoulder length distance. Revolve your right hand and try to touch your heel, right heel. Very nice. And then left heel. The people who can't touch, they can tuck in their toes like this and then can touch it. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing will continue as normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here you can rest in comfortable position. We'll go for the next asana in the variation of the Ustrasana. In this asana, you would be again sitting like this on your knees. Now from here, opposite hand and opposite leg. So have a look how to do that. Only with one hand will practice this. Revolve your right hand and place it on your left thigh, left heel. Like this. This hand must be parallel to floor in Gyan Mudra. Okay. So we'll hold this posture. So let's start together. Stand on your knees, shoulder between your knees and your palms. In your knees and your feet, shoulder length distance. Revolve your right hand and touch your left heel. Very nice. Your left hand must be in Gyan Mudra, parallel to floor. Drop your neck slightly. Very nice. Hold this posture. This asana is very good for kidneys also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop your neck slightly. 5. If you don't have any vertigo, epilepsy issue, you can drop your neck. 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rounds more. Count on self-counting. And the people who can't do, they can continue with this. No need to touch on in one day only. They can continue with this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Take 3 natural breathings. Now from here we'll repeat 4 same the left side. Revolve your left palm and try to touch your right heel like this. Your other hand would be in Gyan Mudra and drop your neck slightly. So let's start together from the left side. Very nice. Revolve your left hand. Try to touch right heel. Very nice. Your right hand must be in Gyan Mudra, parallel to floor. Very nice. Drop your neck slightly. 1, 2, 3. While dropping your neck, your hand must be parallel to floor only. It should not be stretched. And the people who can't do it, they can do the simple variation of this. Place your palms on your lower back. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5. Give a little stretch to your lower back and bend backward as much as you can do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Sit in a comfortable position. Take normal breathing. Normalize your breathing system. Now from here, have a look the next asana. You are sitting in the Vajrasana position. Okay. Now from here, you will place your palms beside your buttocks. You can check the position. You can place your hands pointed to the head or pointed to the face side. So it depends on you where you want to place. Your fingers must be well spreaded. Now from here, you have to rise up your buttocks from heels and apart your feet. Then drop your neck. Your hands must be straight. They should not be from elbow. It should not be bended like this. They be straight. Your entire body weight must be on your calf, feet, knees and your palms. Again, while practicing this asana, your breathing will be continue from pelvic area tucked in and chest breathing will continue. So let's start together. You are standing on your knees, okay? Now from here, you'll sit on your heels, place your palms. The one who can't sit in the Vajrasan, they can practice this with the cross leg also, okay? In this posture also. Place your palms beside your buttock. Share your body weights in your palms also. Your palms must be strong, fingers must be well spreaded. From here, rise your buttocks. Very nice. Apart your feet. Very nice. And drop your neck. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, self counting start. The people who can't do in sit in Vajrasan, they have to perform like this. Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Sit in a comfortable position. Now from here, we'll go to Ardha Chandrasan. In Ardha Chandrasan, take a look how to perform this asana. You have to bring your right feet like this. Your left foot must be stretched out. Your both the palms just next to your right feet. You have to bend your right knee a little further. It should not be at 90 degree. It will bend a little further. While bending, the gap between these both angles at currently 90 degree, it will bend to 45 degree. You can stretch out your left leg up further. Now from here, place your palms at your lower back, supporting with your fingers, and then bend, do back bending. Okay, so let's start together. You are sitting in the Vajrasan position or something, then place your palms, then bring your right foot in between of your both the palms, then bend your right knee some 45 degree further like this. Outstretch your left leg if you want. Now place your palms on your lower back. Bend from lower back. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. As I'm seeing that many of have placed your right knee at 90 degrees. This is not the correct posture. You have to outstretch your knee like this. It is not 90 degree. You have to outstretch your knee like this. You can see this is not 90 degree. This is 90. Okay? Outstretch your knee from here, place and do the again. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. We'll repeat same from the left leg. Bring your left leg at front side. Now from here, bend it further like this. You'll drop your stomach on your thigh also. This is more easy to understand maybe. Now from here, place your palms on your lower back, stretch it and drop your neck further. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Pelvic area must be tucked in, breathing from chest. We'll continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Sit in comfortable position. Take 3 natural breathing. Breathe. Normalize your breathing system. Now from here we'll go for the final posture of the Ardha Chandrasana. In the same posture, again you will bring your right knee, bend it further, outstretch your left leg if required. Your toes must be flattened on floor. Now from here, lift your hands above the head in Namaskar Mudra and then do backward bending. While bending, your hands must be straight from elbow, pelvic area tucked in. You can see the posture, it should be Ardha Chandra, the half moon shape. So let's start together. Bring your right foot and front side. Bend from knee. Outstretch your knee area a little further. Very nice. You can outstretch your left foot, left leg at back side if you feel so. Check your comfort first. From here, bring your palms, lift your palms above the head in Namaskar Mudra and bend forward. Very nice. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you are tired in between, take 3 natural breathing and then continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. We'll repeat same from the left leg. Bring your left leg, outstretch your knee, adjust your right leg at back side with support of your palm. Very nice. Now from here, lift your hands above the head in Namaskar Mudra and bend forward. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the one who can't perform this asana, no worries, they can practice like this. Because we are doing the backward bending. So just give pressure to your back and continue with this. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Sit in comfortable position. Take natural breathing. Normalize your breathing system. And from here we'll go to the next asana, You just sit in comfortable position and have a look how to perform. Then we'll go further. Then we'll do together. Okay. From here, we'll come to the Ashtang Namaskar Asana. In this asana, you'll place your palms on floor and your toes must be tucked in, and will drop your entire body on floor. Your head and or chin is touching to the floor. Your toes are tucked in. Your palms are just next to your chest. From here, we'll give a downward push from head to toe side and will rise up your buttocks. Remember that you have to give push from up to down, head to toe side. Okay, in this posture, your chin is touching to the floor. We'll hold this position. So let's start together. You can simply lie down on your yoga mats, on your stomach. Head is touching to the floor, toes are flattened on floor. Your palms are just next to your chest. Now from here, tucked in your toes. And push from up to down, head to toe. Your hips must be risen up. So on floor, your toes, your knees, your chest, your palms and chin is touching to the floor. Your entire body, your stomach is above the floor. From knee to chest area is not touching to floor. Hold this position for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ensure your hip area must be above, like this. It should be like a mounted pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now from here, in the same posture, just have a look. You can rest in Makrasana position like this and look for the next asana. Normalize your breathing and meanwhile see the next asana. We are like in this posture. From here, we'll rise our right leg like this. Okay. So let's continue. Let's start together. Lie down on your yoga mat, on your stomach, tucked in your toes. From head to toe, push. Now from here, rise your right leg. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Pelvic area tucked in, chest breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your objective is not rising your right leg high. Just give pressure to your lower back, and while rising your right leg, your left feet must be still. 1, 2, 3, as much as you can rise. If you're comfortable in this much, do that only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and we'll repeat same from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now have a look in the same asana. We will be lying on yoga mat on stomach. In this posture we were, okay, and we have risen our right leg like this. From here we'll lift our left leg also from knee, and in this posture we'll hold, okay. Your left leg must be at some 90-degree position. Try to keep it 90 degree like this. So we'll hold in this posture. So let's start together. Come to the Ashtanga Namaskara posture. Now from here, rise your right leg and left leg also from knee. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Pelvic area tucked in. Chest breathing will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Self-counting start. The people who can't perform this asana, they are sitting in this posture. Just bend both the knees together. They can do the variation. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. We'll repeat same from the left leg. Rise your left leg, outstretch it. Then bend your right leg from knee. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, very nice. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax yourself. You can rest in Makrasana position. Normalize your breathing. And from here, lie down on your yoga mat on your stomach. Distance between your feet, shoulder length distance. Your palms are just next to your body. 2-3 inches gap. Fingers are well spreaded, palms pointed to sky. Just relax your body. Feel the gravity of the earth. Take natural breathing. Today in pranayama also we'll practice the natural breathing only. Now from here we'll focus on inhalation and exhalation. While inhalation, feel the breathing, feel the air which is touching to your nostril, and from nostril it is going inside your body. Just feel that. Be aware about your breathing, your inhalation and exhalation. Check the length of your breathing, that how much time you take for inhalation and for exhalation. Is it same or different? So to measure that thing, While inhalation, you can count mentally, like I'm doing inhalation. So 1, 2, means you have to calculate that how many seconds you are taking for the inhalation. Mentally, you have to count because while counting, you can't breathe. Then exhale, and again while exhalation, check that how many seconds you are taking for exhalation. Is inhalation or exhalation length is same? So just observe these small things about your breathing. Close your eyes. Start natural breathing. Inhale, exhale. Natural breathing is whenever we not do normal breathing in entire day. That is a natural breathing. We just keep taking it. But while pranayama, we are getting aware about our natural breathing. Inhale, exhale. Do the inhalation, exhalation as per length of your breathing. And the way I said that count inhalation and exhalation mentally. You have to try to do it equal length. The length of inhalation and exhalation must be same. With closed eyes, observe yourself that while inhalation, which body parts are affecting, which body parts are moving. Whether your stomach is going up and down or your chest is expanding while inhalation. Observe the small things about your breathing. That's the reason we say be aware about your breathing. If you practice it regularly with awareness, you will be able to see your breathing with closed eyes. Inhale, exhale. Now from here, we'll hold our breathings for 10 seconds. So to start with, we'll start with 5 seconds holding retention of our breathing. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. And hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, we'll do without holding. Keep taking natural breathing. Bring awareness into your body. Move your toes, your palms, your fingers. Bring your both the feet together. Palms just next to your body, facing down. Straight your neck, head. Feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice in your body, especially your